To remove the rear cover, first place the unit face down on a soft flat surface. Loosen each of the 2 captive Phillips head screws for the rear cover until you can hear the screw make a clicking sound 5 times. Pry the bottom of the cover up and remove the rear cover from the PC. The rear cover has several tabs along its outer edge. That fit into slots along the outer lip of the front bezel. To replace the rear cover, align the top tabs into their slots. Press the cover firmly until all tabs have snapped into place. Note that the bottom edge will not yet be flush against the front bezel. Tighten the 2 captured screws on the rear cover until the bottom edges of the rear cover are flush against the edge of the outer trim of the front bezel.